Hi friends. So in this video, we would be explaining, whenever you sign up, you get no alert after following all the steps. So in this video we will be covering how could we investigate, like what should do in such case. I have already explained how to create alert and all those things in previous videos. So I will put the link in the description so you can watch it. So if you are not getting the alerts, don't worry. First, go to TradingView, then click on the alert whatever alerts you have, and then click on Edit Alert. Check if it is a strategy type alert or an indicator type alert. Check whether you have pasted the correct text over there, and make sure this tick mark comes. Just click outside the box and you will see this checkbox here, which means your JSON is perfect. And the second thing is, check if you have pasted the webhook URL here. Then save it. Then just go into the log section. In the log section, you will be able to see whether your alert is coming or not. And if it is not there, then something is wrong with your indicator or strategy. If it is there, then go to PickMyTrade, and you will be able to see your alert in this alert section. So in this section, you will see your alert status. Like here for this particular trade, the order get placed here, and the updation with the trades are also shown here. And if you are not getting those information here, just share the screenshot of the screen to our support team, who are available on email or WhatsApp, and they will help you out. And if you are getting the status, then you can see the entry ID, limit ID, and stop ID here. In the alert status, we have explained it here in the documentation. Just go to common errors and their resolution. And here are all the common errors occurring while trading with their solutions. One more problem people are facing is, if they have multiple accounts, they are not able to see the alerts here. So make sure whatever account you are specifying over here should be selected from the Tradovate only. One more issue people face is that, when they place a trade, it gets rejected. So in this case, just double click on the order, and it will show the reason why that order gets rejected. So if you are able to solve it, you can. And if you are not able to do so, just contact to Tradovate support. So that's what I want to explain to you in this video.